Good morning students. Welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today again we are continuing the chapter smart chart and our today's topic is bar graph. We have already done the bar graph, but today again we are continuing that. So here I have taken one example. The heights in centimeter of 5 friends are given in the table below. Here you can see name Raj 165 centimeter, Oshim 170, Obro 175, Akram 160, Binod 175. So represent the data by a bar graph on the graph paper. Here you can see I have taken one graph paper, and here I have taken the scale. Now as you can see there are no heights less than 100 centimeter. So here I have started from 100 and I have taken 1 small square as 1 unit. So here to here 10 small square, so 10 units. So 100, 110, 120, 30, 40 like that. Now we have to draw the graph. How to draw? First of all you can see Raj 165 centimeter. So 165 we have to draw. You can see here is 160, here is 170. So in between, that is, this is 165. This is 165. So we have to draw a bar. I am drawing with my hand, but you can use scale. After drawing, you can fill it. So Raj 165. Then Oshim 170 centimeter. So 170. So this is Oshim and this is 170. So we have to draw a bar. So we have drawn. Next, Obro 175. So 175 is in between 170 and 180. Now this is Obro, and here you can see it is 175. So the height of the bar should be up to 175 and fill it. Next, Akram. Akram is 160. So come to Akram place. Here Akram, here is 160. So Akram 160. Leave some space between any two. Next, Binod. Binod is 175. 5 centimeter. So again 175 is in between 170 and 180. So it is 175. So Binod's height is up to this. So it is Binod's height. Now fill it. So we have drawn the graph. So this graph represents the data, which is the heights of 5 friends. Now I have taken another example. Here number 2. The following data gives the amount of manure in 1000 tons manufactured by a company during some years. Here you can see the years are given. In 1992, 15, 1993, 35, 1994, 45, 1995, 30, 1996, 40. Represent the data, the above data by a bar graph on a graph paper. So here I have taken the scale. Here the horizontal axis, that is the x-axis, represent the year, and the vertical axis, that is the y-axis, represent the manure. Now you can see in 1992, how much? 15,000 tons. So height of the bird should be equals to 15. And here we have taken 10 small squares as 5 unit. So height of the bird should be up to 15. So here is 15. So in 1992, 15,000 tons. Next, 1993, 35. So 1993, 35. 35 is here. So just draw the bird and fill it. Next, 1994, 45. So up to 45 we have to draw. 45 is here. So in 1994, 45,000 tons. Next, 1995, 30. So 1995 up to 30. Next, 1996. 1996, you can see here 40,000 tons. So 1996, the height should be equals to 40. That is up to this. So this. Now if you wish, you can also write the heights in every bar. Here you can write 15, here you can write 35, here you can write 45, here you can write 30, here you can write 40. So in this way we have to draw the bar graph, or we have to represent the data on a bar graph. Okay? Now you have to do some homework. You can see here, number 1, the following data gives the information of marks out of 100 obtained by student in midterm exam in different subjects. You can see here subjects are first language marks 85, second language 95, mathematics for 90, science 75. Represent the above data on a bar graph. Next, question number 2. The following table shows the runs scored by batsmen in 5 matches. Match 1 95, match 2 85, match 3 100, match 4 35, match 5 70. Represent the above data on a bar graph. Next, question number 3. The following table shows the daily production of TV sets in an industry for 5 days in a week. Monday 300, Tuesday 350, Wednesday 150, Thursday 250, Friday 100. Represent the above information on a bar graph. So must do this homework in your copy.